Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be continuing the series of videos I'm making on understanding the chakras. Today we're going to be talking about the throat chakra, the third eye, and the crown chakra. Hi, I'm Joe Shepard. This is Fractal Realms. Hi, continuing on today with the throat chakra. The throat chakra is blue and it represents our ability to interact and communicate with other beings. Now, it can be, you can look at it very straightforward. It's your ability to communicate with another person very well and with clarity. You can look at it as also speaking with angels and speaking with entities that are not so well seen. A sign of an overactive throat chakra would be someone that interrupts somebody a lot. He interrupts when you're talking. He has that person has a compulsion to be heard. And a sign of an underactive throat chakra would be somebody that has terrible inability to express themselves, express emotions, to interact with someone at anything but the most superficial levels. Moving on to the third eye. The third eye is in the center of your forehead. We see it as violet, maybe purple, if you like. And it represents all perception beyond the five senses. It represents intuition. So anyone that you see with well-developed psychic abilities have a well-developed third eye chakra. Sign of an overactive third eye is highly unlikely, being that we're human beings have a very limited perception beyond their five normal senses in the physical world. But let's say that happens and they do have an overactive, that person would be very obsessed with psychic issues, psychic paranormal ideas, to such an extent that it pushes out normal experiences of life. And sign of an underactive third eye is the ability to accept that which you can't detect with your normal five senses. And you can see that I'll use radio waves, for example, or microwaves, or there's just tons and tons of it. But I'll look at radio waves. We are continually being bombarded with radio waves. Just a fact, that's scientific fact, but we can't see them, we can't sense them, we have no way of knowing that they're there. So a person with an underactive third eye doesn't want to accept things like that, doesn't want to accept that there are things that are happening around them that they can't perceive. Finally, let's look at the crown. The crown is probably the most important of the chakras. We see it as white. It's the center of your forehead, the center of your head, your skull, and it represents consciousness and universal energy. It represents the divine, that part of the spark of life, of existence that's animating the rest of us. An overactive crown chakra, well, it's not possible. Not while we're in this realm. And an underactive crown chakra, that would just be the normal human experience. We all have an underactive crown chakra. And you wouldn't know any difference from one person to another. Well, that covers the seven chakras, the seven primary chakras. Many groups of people go well beyond that, but those seven are the ones that most people recognize. I thank you for listening. I'll follow this up with a meditation. Please subscribe, Please, if you like my videos, please like it. I need your help. I'm talking to you, like I did the last one. Yeah, you subscribe. Thanks.